All right, students, we are at the final draft, final submission for your protest song. So in this step, you are going to put it all together in a Google Slides presentation. You should have all the components at this point, your verses, your images, your analysis, and then you're going to be adding a component in this step. You're going to be adding a short reflection on your songwriting process, touching on some of these questions. So all you need to do for this step is go ahead and go to this Google Slide link, click on that link. It'll ask you to make a copy. Once you've made a copy, it'll show up here, copy of benchmark 4. You always want to make sure to put your name here. And then this first slide just gives you some directions on how to use the template. Then you have a title slide here, so I've already copied, included my name. And then you'll write your issue here. What is your issue that you wrote your song about? And then you see that we have a slide for each verse. So down here in the speaker notes, there are directions in case you need it. So there's just some formatting things that you'll have to do to get it in here if you're copying and pasting. So if you go to your graphic organizer where you have your lyrics, you can just highlight and then right click, copy. When you get here, it is important. So if you click inside the text box that you want to use, right click again, do the paste without formatting. It's important to select that one. If you do the other one, it's going to look like this. So then undo. But if you double click to paste without formatting, then it gives you your verse in there, and then that'll be up to you to highlight, and you can mess around with the fonts, the size of the font to make it look nice. And then with your image, you just need to grab your image. So right click, copy, go over here inside the image box, paste. Here, it's still going to probably give it to you in another area. So you're just going to need to click and drag, and then you can drag the edges to format it so that it fits within the box. And then lastly, you would take your analysis. So you would select all, copy, and then really important to paste without formatting. Then you have the freedom to change your fonts, change the sizes. You can stretch or expand the text boxes. That's totally up to you. It's just a skeleton template, so you can get creative, move it around, do whatever you need to do. Do that for each of your verses. And then your reflection, you would just type your reflection into this box here. And then down here in the speaker notes, we have directions for the reflection and what questions you're going to be answering. So there you go. If you have any questions, please let myself, Rosalind, or Robert know. And good luck with this step.